Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, let's take a look at the gold market this time. So in general, market is calling on the same area that we have talked about recently, and we're still waiting for a pullback because our major direction here stands up, and since market has completed some important targets and hit the daily overbought, we said that probably some moderate retracement could happen. Currently we're watching for an area around 1227 because this previous stops saw some fib level stands. And in current circumstances, this retracement should be enough just to show the reaction on the targets and daily overbought, because this actually should become the upward continuation because major retracement already has happened. That's why here we expect mostly some moderate retracements, not very too significant. Maybe kind of the harmonic retracement could be formed. So we'll take a look at this retracement as we have talked about this recently. As you can see, it's approximately 1226.80. This will be the retesting of this top. So that's something of that sort we're watching for. At the same time, if we will see the clear signs of the upward breakout and moving above the major targets without no respect of them, it will tell us that the upward action is continuing. In the current stage, this is probable. This is possible because we stand actually in the extension mode. So this is extension, this is contraction, extension again, contraction, this is extension mode. And in extension mode, it's possible that market shows slower reaction, some small reaction on the important targets. So, but currently, since some patterns, some signs of weakness we see on intraday chart, some patterns could be formed here, we're still watching for a possible pullback. So that's our major scenario for trading on the gold market, so daily setup in our primary context for trading. At the same time, on the 4-hour time frame charts, you can see we haven't got the double repo sell pattern because market still shows the final leg up and complete the OP. Initially, we thought that maybe market will show first retracement and then on the continuation on the upside will hit the OP target. But despite that market stands near overbought, this final spike up has happened and the OP target of major ABC pattern has been completed. So it absolutely makes no impact on the daily setup because it's minor target 1240 because it was, you can see, butterfly and our minor ABC bottom pattern XOP, if you remember, it has been hit first. As OP that stands 1245 approximately also has been completed. In general, they are mostly the same target area, and market still keeps chance on a possible retracement here. But that's just the fact that market has completed this OP target. So on the hourly chart, that action has been done by the completion of the butterfly. As a result, we've got here a nicely looking bearish engulfing pattern, as you can see. Also, we see signs of weakness with the bearish divergence, and this some kind of the channel is forming here with the MACD. So if you have the plan to take the counter trades against the major trend on the daily, I mean, that you would like to go short, be careful and try to get the clear pattern on your back. So as we have talked about it recently, when we've got the Gartler triple to sell, you could try to take the position. At least you will get the chance to move your stops to the break even. So that has happened, as you can see, after Gartler's triple to sell has been formed, market shows the drop. Again, butterfly has been formed, you could try to take the butterfly on your back. At least you will get the chance to move your stop to the break even. Right now, another pattern is forming, so it could be either, again, Gartler's triple to sell could be formed here, and market could then start in downward action, or maybe market could form free drive pattern as well here. But in current circumstances, the appearing of the triple two is more probable because major target already has been completed here, and if retracement will start, it probably should start somewhere in this consolidation. So those of you who are trying to trade gold market to the downside, trying to get the clear pattern that will support the taking position. For others, since we're waiting for moderate retracement here. Just wait for 1227 area. Retesting of this previous consolidation actually was our hand shoulders patient here. It's retracement and retesting of this area looks logical. If, for instance, we will get kind of the A, B, C, top, D pattern, and its retracement will start immediately today, so XOP target will stand somewhere in this area. So we have talked about it recently. So as you can see, in general, nothing significantly has changed since our recent discussion. So gold market is still keep on table the possible retracement. It's just some clear out of some targets that have not been met has happened recently with this spike up, but overall consolidation shows the signs of short-term weakness, and indeed retracement still could start. But actually, this is not very important for us, because if retracement will not start, we will lose nothing. So we just will start watch for taking the long position. If we'll see that breakout here will happen, market will continue upward action. If retracement will start, well, that's great, because we will get a good entry point on the gold market. So let's keep watching what will happen. Today's non-farm payroll release, and it really could lead to significant action on the gold market as well.